Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 24th May 2025. Belvilla by Oyo has acquired Australian short-term rental platform MadeComfy in a cash and stock deal valuing Oyo at approximately $5 billion. The acquisition expands Belvilla's presence into Australia and New Zealand, adding over 1,200 assets to its portfolio. Oyo also acquired G6 Hospitality in December 2024 and anticipates significant revenue growth and profitability in the coming years. The Payments Regulatory Board Regulations 2025 or PRB Regulations have been notified by the Reserve Bank of India to operationalise the amended Section 3 of the Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007. The regulations replace the existing Board for Regulation and Supervision of Payment and Settlement Systems and lay down an end-to-end governance code for the new Payments Regulatory Board, covering its makeup, conduct, working procedures, committees, and the financial terms of its members. The Supreme Court of India has dismissed a review petition filed by the Chief Commissioner of Central Goods and Services Tax against a 2024 judgment in the case involving Safari Retreats Private Limited. The matter centered around the eligibility of input tax credit under GST law for properties constructed for leasing purposes. While the specific legal questions of the case were not revisited in the court's latest order, the dismissal of the review petition effectively upholds the original verdict that had implications for real estate and leasing businesses under GST. Vedanta Group announced an investment of Rs 80,000 crore in the Northeast region, targeting energy and infrastructure development across key sectors including oil and gas, critical minerals, refining facilities, power, optical fiber, system integration, renewable energy, transmission and data centers. This investment includes one of the largest exploration and development programs in the hydrocarbon sector in the region. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has relaxed norms for Category 2 Alternative Investment Funds or AIFs, enabling them to expand their investable universe and explore opportunities in the debt securities market. Under the revised framework, Category 2 AIFs can now invest in listed debt securities with a credit rating of A or below. The changes were initially proposed in a consultation paper issued in February and have been formalized through a notification dated May 21st. Pune-based KSH International has filed a DRHP with SEBI to raise Rs 745 crore via IPO, comprising Rs 420 crore fresh issue and Rs 325 crore offer for sale. The magnet winding wire manufacturer exports to 24 countries and plans to use proceeds for debt repayment, machinery expansion, and a solar plant setup. Its financial year revenue rose 32% to Rs 1,383 crore.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.